Dear students, today we are going to see Unit 4 Geometry Exercise 4.1 Second Sum. The question is, a girl looks the reflection of the top of the lamppost on the mirror which is 66 meter away from the foot of the lamppost. The girl whose height is 1.25 meter. See, correct this one. It's given 12.5 meter in your book. So that one is wrong. Correct. The height is 1.25 meter. Is standing 2.5 meter away from the mirror. Assuming that the mirror is placed on the ground facing the sky and the girl. Mirror and the lamppost are in the same line. Find the height of the lamppost. Okay. See here given a girl looks the reflection of the top of the lamppost. Okay. She is looking the reflection of top of the lamppost on a mirror that is 66 meter away from the foot of the lamppost. Okay. So the girl's height is given. The height of the girl is 1.25 meter and she is standing 2.5 meter away from the mirror. The girl is standing 2.5 meter away from the mirror. Okay, we have to assume the mirror is placed on the ground. Okay, mirror is placed on the ground level and facing the sky and the girl. So mirror is facing sky and the girl. Then the mirror and the lamppost are in same line. Okay, the baseline is same. Now we have to find the height of the lamppost. See the answer part. See the diagram. Let see M be the position of the mirror. Okay, here see this is M. This is position of the mirror. G be the position of the girl. This G, this is position of the girl. And L be the position of the lamppost. Okay, this is the position of the lamppost. And GR be the height of the girl. See, this is GR. This is height of the girl. That is given 1.25 meter. Then NL. This NL. This is height of the lamppost. Okay, we have to find this one only. We don't know this height, so I take this height as H. Then consider the triangles. See here, two triangles are there. One is MLN. See this triangle MLN, and another one is MGR. This small triangle MGR. Okay, one is the big triangle, this one MLN, and another one is MGR, this triangle. These two triangles are similar by AAA similarity. How means, see here the angle M. This is common for both triangle. See the angle M is in the big triangle MLN also, and it's in the small triangle. So M is common for both the Then see then another angle. This angle RGM. This is 90 degree in this triangle, and in biggest triangle MLN. This angle, this is 90 degree. So these two angles are equal. Okay, first we saw that angle M. This is common for both triangles, and this angle RGM, and in biggest triangle NLM. These two are equal. These two are 90 degree right angle. No, see this angle and this angle. Okay, so two angles are equal, angle M and this angle. So by AA similarity, these two triangles, triangle MGR and triangle MNL, these two are similar triangles. Okay, then use the similar triangle BPT theorem. First, this side GR or RG, this one, divided by this one NL, equal to MG, this side MG, divided by this biggest triangle side ML. Okay, is it clear? RG, this side, divided by this side. Okay, RG by NL. Then in a baseline, this line, this MG divided by this full one ML. Okay, now substitute the values. This one RG, that is given height of the girl 1.25. Okay, then ML, that one what you have to find, height of the lamp post, that is H, equal to MG, that is this distance, this is given 2.5. Okay, then this full distance, that is given 6.6. So 6.6. Clear? 1.25 divided by H equal to 2.5 divided by 6.6. Now cross multiply these two. Cross multiply. So 1.25 into 6.6 equal to H into 2.5. Okay. See, I am writing here 1.25 divided by H equal to 2.5 divided by 6. Cross multiply these two. H into 2.5 equal to 1.25 into 6.6. Now here you have to find the value of H. So H equal to, bring this number to right hand side. So 1.25 into 6.6 divided by 2.5. See, here all numbers are decimal numbers. So divide that by 110, then only easy to you. So to simplify. Okay. See that first one. Take this one. Here 1.25. Okay. The point, after the point, 2 digits are there. So divide this one by 100. That is 125 divided by 100. Then take this one 6.6. After the point, 1 digit is there. So 66 by 10. Okay. Then in denominator 2.5. Here also after the point, 1 digit is there. It's in denominator. So while you converting into multiplication, it gets reciprocal. So should write 10 by 25. Okay. Then after that, simplification only. Cancel 10, 10 and 125. This is 5 times. This is 4 times. Then 2 table 2 times, 33 times. Then this 5 and 25 5 times. So multiply remaining things. Okay. So you get the answer is like this. After simplification, you get 33 by 10. 33 by 10 is 3.3. So that is the height of the lamp post. Okay. So the height of the lamp post is 3.3 meter. Thank you.